So your family starts noticing that you're not taking that thing off your head. Your family also starts noticing that it's getting a little fuzzy out here. And your friends have the fuzzy stuff too. Your friends changed. You don't hang out with those other boys anymore. So your mom gets a little concerned. She says, I want you to be Muslim, but not Muslim. This is not why you came to America. Right? They get concerned. The mother says to the daughter, the father says to the daughter, who's going to marry you looking like that? We don't do this like that in our family. Why don't you act like the rest of the family? What's the matter? You're embarrassing us. We can't take you to the wedding looking like that. We can't take you here. You face this? You know people that face this. In other words, what's happened is the people that are trying to hold on to any strand of the religion have become the outcasts of the ummah in their own homes. They have become the outcasts, and you're the weirdos. This is the weirdo convention right here. We are the outcasts of our own families. We are the objects of ridicule. You go to the Eid gathering for most of you. Oh, Maulana is here. Issue me the fatwa, huh? So is this haram too? Is that haram? Remember last year when you used to be partying with us? What happened now? All religious now? Okay, we get it. We understand. You become the object of ridicule. And through you, Islam. And when you hear Islam being made fun of, or halal and haram being toyed around with at the end of a coffee table, what happens to you? Young Muslim? Grrr. And when that happens to you, what do? Astaghfirullah, this is a bid'ah, your aqidah is messed up, oh, you're following your culture, not the religion, slam the door, walk out. And then your parents come back to you and say, oh, so this is what the religion teaches you, right? Talk to your parents like that? I got you good. I got you on lock. Understand this. When you become serious about the religion, be mentally prepared. Some of you are blessed with, very good families, alhamdulillah, but many of you have this trial. Or you know people who have this trial. One of the worst things in our deen, is so much as talking back to our parents. Right? Now know this as a reality. I see a lot of young faces here, so I say this. Know this. Your father, for the sons here, your father knows exactly what to say to get under your skin and make it burn. He knows exactly what to say. And he knows that it burns too. And he says it anyway. You know why? Not because he hates you, because he wants to see what you're going to do next. He wants to test your patience. And if you do snap, if you do flip out, he's going to say, aha, this is what the religion teaches you. This is what that imam's been telling you. This is what that ilm samit. That's what's going to happen. You come back with a B in your calculus class. Guess what's going to be blamed? Your religion. Your religion. You lose your job. Guess what's going to be blamed? Your religion. By who? Not the non-Muslims. Your family. This is because of that face of yours. This is because you're always going to the masjid. That's why they probably fired you. This is why you failed. In other words, all of your successes will be overlooked, and all of your failures will be attributed to psychological war inside your home. It's a psychological battle inside your home. And if you want all of the good that you're trying to do, you're trying to attend classes, go to conferences, sit in the company of shuyukh, listen to hours and hours of lectures, stay away from music, stay away from movies, stay away from bad companies, keep your eyes low. Oh my God, there's so much to do. You want to wash all of that, multiply that by 0, talk back to your parents for a second. And we do. We do. We can't take it. It gets under our skin. It boils over. And we say, oh, how dare you. And then that one time you snap, done.